Caviar has announced an airline collection, a new line of ultra-premium custom iPhone that focuses on lightness, premiumness, and luxury. The collection includes three limited edition models: iPhone Air Zenith, iPhone Air Aureon, and iPhone Air Crystal. Each device uses rare and expensive materials such as solid gold, crocodile leather, aerospace titanium, and golden carbon fiber. The Zenith is the most exclusive model. Caviar has designed the phone with a body made of solid 18-karat gold and black crocodile leather. It is the lightest gold iPhone ever created by the brand. Caviar is only producing 3 units, each priced at $8,930. The Aeron features a unique combination of 24-karat gold plating and marble texture golden carbon material. The composite is used in high-end automotive applications due to its lightweight nature and visual appeal. Caviar has limited this to 19 models and the price is $9,270. The crystal model focuses on aesthetic. The body and frame are made from aerospace-grade titanium and finished with white crocodile leather. The design includes titanium caviar crown with jewelry enamel accents. It will release 19 units at $8,910 each. Caviar has pushed the airline collection as the thinnest and lightest lineup of iPhones. The design concept emphasizes minimalism, sharp lines, and appearance of visual weightlessness. Each model's collection is handcrafted using premium material and delivered in a customized presentation box. The box includes a personalized video message for the buyer. Caviar has also recently introduced the Victory collection for the iPhone 17 Pro lineup featuring luxury handcrafted designs starting at $10,060. The brand has also transformed the iPhone 17 Pro and Air models into bespoke creation priced over $10,000 each.